Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 18 for Instagram Reels. First of all, click on the settings at the bottom of your screen and navigate to color management. Here, change some settings like select DaVinci as the color science and code 709 as the timeline color space. After that, go to Master Settings tab. Inside it, select Timeline Resolution as custom and change it to 1080 by 1920. After that, enable CinemaScope and select frame rates as 24 frames per second, as it is the perfect size for your reels. Now, if you want to save this to use later, simply click on the three dotted icon at the top of your screen and select Set Current Settings as Default Preset. But if you don't want to go with default preset, then simply click on Save Current Settings as Preset and name it whatever you want. Now you can see that the preset is appearing inside this menu. Once you have done that, let's move to the export section. Here, select Render the entire timeline because it's a whole project. After that, go to the Custom Exports and select Single Clip because if you select individual clips, it's going to select everything in the video. After that, select Video Format as QuickTime and change codec to H264. Then, in the Quality section, restrict to 50,000. Now again, if you want to save this preset to use later, simply click on the three dotted icon on the top right and select Save as a new preset. After that, rename it. In my case, I will rename it again as Reels. Once you do that, this will show here on the top of your screen. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.